So you open the miscellaneous page and be ready. So NCERT page 109. We'll start with the example problems. So sharing my screen, just confirm if you're able to see. Now listen. So NCERT page 109, look at example 12. Find the conjugate of 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus i. So what are we supposed to do? The numerator, convert it into a standard complex number form. Denominator, convert it into a standard complex number form. Then
Rationalize.
Rationalize, then find the complex or conjugate. Right. So what is going to be the solution for it? So what is going to be the numerator? So 3 into 2, 6, plus 3 into 3i, 9i, minus 4i, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 into i square, that is plus 6. So by now I hope that I square is minus 1, you have to change the sign and write it. I hope this has got registered in your minds. So 1 plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus i, plus 4i, minus 2i into I is 2 minus 2i square. Minus 2i square is plus 2. Okay. So 6 plus 6, that is 12, plus 5i, the whole divided by 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 3i. So rationalize it. 4 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. Okay. So 12 into 4 is 48. 48 minus 36i plus 20i minus 15i square. So that is plus 15. The whole divided by 4 square plus 3 square. Right? 48 plus 15. 63 minus 16i, the whole divided by 4 square plus 5 square is 25. So this is the value of z. So what will be the value of z conjugate? 63 plus 16i divided by 25. I hope it's clear. Is there anyone having a doubt? 63 plus 16i, the whole divided by 25. Shall we go to the next one? Are you all able to hear me? I'm not getting responses.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. So find the modulus and argument of the complex numbers. So here the complex number given is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. So you need to find the modulus and argument. So argument you can keep it later. Let's find the modulus. Argument means angle. Okay. So for that I need to explain the polar form. As of now, forget about argument. So what should I do? Z is equal to 1 plus I into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 minus I. So that will be 1 plus I plus I plus I square, the whole divided by 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 2i, I square is minus 1 divided by 2. So 1 and 1 will get cancelled. 2i divided by 2 is equal to, am I right? So z is equal to I. So what will be the modulus of it?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what did you do in this first step, sir?
Yes, sir.
Rationalize.
Then in the denominator also it should be 1 plus I, no, sir.
Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, 1 plus I. Anyways, 1 minus I into 1 plus I wrote it directly. 1 plus
1. Okay, sir.
Okay, because that was running in my mind. So 1 plus 1, a square plus b square, no? 1 plus 1, 2. So mod z will be how much? So if z is equal to a plus ib, what is mod z equal to? Root of a square plus b square. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
here a is 0, b is 1. So mod z will be equal to. Got it? Shall I go to the next one? So how to do this one? Z is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I. So 1 minus I, 1 minus I. That's it, no? So 1 minus I divided by 2. So 1 by 2 minus I by 2. So this is the value of Z. So what will mod Z be equal to? Root of 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Right. So
Yes,
each
sir.
problem, can I take a count as 1 minute and then shall I move on? Because we have tougher problems to do at the end. These are all very
Okay,
easy.
sir.
Okay, I'm moving on. If x plus iy is equal to a plus ib by a minus ib, prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. I didn't miss any problem. No? No. So this is an important one. Mark it. Okay. So x plus y iy is equal to a plus ib by a minus ib. Prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. So what is the value of x plus iy equal to? A plus ib into a plus ib, the whole divided by a minus ib into a plus ib. I just rationalized. Right. So I'm leaving the x plus y iy as it is. So it will be a square minus b square plus 2i into ab. Did you guys understand what I did? I directly wrote this. So a into a is a square. ib into ib is minus I square. Sorry, I square into b square. I square is minus 1. So I wrote it as a square minus b square plus 2i into ab, the whole divided by a square plus b square. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
So this is equal to x plus iy. So left side is a complex number, right side is also a complex number. When can two complex numbers be equal? When can two complex numbers be equal? When their real parts are equal and the corresponding imaginary
Imaginary
part.
part also.
So x will be equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square, and y will be equal to 2ab divided by a square plus b square. Am I right? Now what is x square plus y square? See, don't write x square plus y square is equal to 1. You need to take x square plus y square and the final answer should come out as 1. So x square plus y square means a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square plus the whole square plus 2ab divided by a square plus b square, the whole square. Any doubt in this? I just substituted the value. So the denominator on the hand side a square plus b square, the whole square. But what will the numerator be? It is a square minus b square, the whole square plus 4a square b square. Remember, guys, a plus whole square. You guys know this?
Sir,
Because
your
when you
voice is
expand a
breaking,
minus b,
sir.
okay. So I'm repeating it again. I wrote an important point here. Did you observe? I wrote a minus b the whole square plus 4ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So here in the place of capital A, I have A square. In the place of capital B, I have B square. So A minus B the whole square plus 4AB will be equal to, can I write this as A square plus B square the whole square divided by, you already have A square plus B square the whole square. So what will happen to them? They'll get
cancelled.
cancelled and the answer is 1. Did we prove it? Hence prove. Right?
Sir, can you show the formula alone, sir?
Yeah, make a note of it. See, actually, there's not a very big formula. Did you understand why it is A plus B the whole square? See, don't memorize it, please.
Yes, sir. Minus 2AB plus 4AB.
Minus 2AB plus 4AB will come. So it will become plus 2AB. So that is why it is A plus B the whole square. Okay?
So if it's
Okay,
plus
sir.
2AB, we'll get A square minus B square, sir.
You will get A plus B the whole square. That's it. Got it? I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, I will teach you an alternate way, but you use this as a shortcut in some competitive exams. Don't use it for the CBSE part. They will reduce marks. Okay. So just let me show you. So this question number, this one, no? Add new page after 4. Done. So listen. See, what I'm going to do is, can someone tell me the question? X plus IY is equal to A plus IB by A minus IB. Am I right? See, replace I with minus I. Then what will happen? X minus IY will be equal to, tell me, A minus IB the whole divided by A plus IB. See, actually what I did here is, I cannot even call it as a shortcut, because if see, if Z1 equal to Z2, there is an important property that implies Z1 conjugate is equal to Z2 conjugate. So conjugate means what you generally do? You replace I with minus I. You change the sign and write it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let me call this as equation number 1. Let me call this as equation number 2. That's what I did. Okay. So generally see, it is in the form Z is equal to Z1 by Z2. Can I say like this? Where Z is X plus IY, Z1 is A plus IB, Z2 is A minus IB. Then what will Z conjugate be? Z conjugate will be Z1 conjugate divided by Z2 conjugate. Can I write it like that using this property? Are you guys able to understand? Okay, I'm just taking conjugate on both the sides. So when I do that, the conjugate of A plus IB will become A minus IB. The conjugate of A plus IB will become A minus IB will become A plus IB. Did you guys understand this or not? Just tell me. I'll proceed to the next step. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So multiply first equation and second equation. So you will have X plus IY into X minus IY is equal to A plus IB into A minus IB divided by A minus IB into A plus IB. Did you understand what I did? A plus IB into A minus IB divided by A minus IB into A plus IB. The product of denominator. So what will get cancelled? A plus IB is gone. A minus IB is gone. This is 1. But if you observe the left hand side, it is nothing but X square plus Y square. This is equal. This is clear?
So if you're asking A minus IB means you have to multiply negative sign in both numerator and denominator, sir.
It is not multiplying minus I. You're taking the conjugate. I didn't say replace. Don't get confused. This will not go in a wrong way in your mind. I told replace. Replace in the sense replacement will happen only in the case of conjugate. I actually used this principle. This is right only. There is nothing wrong mathematically. It's a perfectly acceptable step. Okay. So it is up to you. You can take this method or this method, but I suggest if see whichever method your teacher is teaching, for the sake of marks, you can follow that method. But for the sake of knowledge, I explained both.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So howsoever your teacher insists, you follow that method. But both are right. Mathematically, nothing is wrong. I didn't do any manipulations. Okay. Shall I proceed to the next one? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen. Find real value of theta such that 3 plus 2i sine theta divided by 1 minus 2i sine theta is purely real. What do you mean by purely real?
No I values.
That is, if I write a complex number a plus ib, if this complex number has to be purely real, then b should be equal to 0. That is the meaning. Means, to put it in very simple terms, imaginary part of z should be equal to 0. Am I right? Accepted? So can you guys solve this, rationalize it, and tell me in the form of a plus ib? Can you tell me the standard form? So 3 plus 2i sine theta into 1 plus 2i sine theta, the whole divided by 1 minus 2i sine theta into 1 plus 2i sine theta. Am I right? Now let's multiply. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 6i sine theta plus 2i sine theta minus 4 sine square theta, the whole divided by.
How sir minus came, sir?
Because I square will come.
Okay, okay, sir.
I square is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. Is this clear? So, if you write the complex number, it will be 3 minus 4 sine square theta, 3 minus 4 sine square theta plus 2i sine theta, or I will write it like this for you to understand. I into 2 sine theta plus 6 sine theta, the whole divided by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me check if everything is right. 3 plus 6i sine theta plus 2i sine theta minus 4 sine square theta, right? Numerator is right. So what is the imaginary part of this? Imaginary part of z is equal to 2 sine theta plus 6 sine theta, the whole divided by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. So for z to be real, imaginary part of z should be equal to 0. Means this part should be equal to 0.
0.
Which implies I will take 2 sine theta outside. I will take 2 sine theta outside. 2 sine theta into, or I can just write it as 8 sine theta. No, why did I complicate it? So it is 8 sine theta equal to 0, which implies theta is equal to, which implies sine theta equal to 0. Then theta will be equal to something like n pi. Okay. So as of now, accept it, because trigonometric equations is removed from your syllabus, no? So as of now, theta is equal to n pi means it is called as integral multiple of pi. Okay. So make a note of it. Theta is equal to n pi is called as the integral multiple of.
So n is any integer.
N is any integer, yes. Any integer multiplied with pi, you will get the answer as 0. What I'm trying to say is sine 0 is 0, sine pi is 0, Sine 2 pi 0, sine 3 pi 0 like
Yes,
that.
sir. Understood.
Okay. So this is called as the general solution. When time permits, I'll definitely teach you this because you have to know this for physics at least.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So theta is equal to n pi. If someone is having a textbook note, please verify the answer also. I just want you to verify this answer is right or wrong. Okay, if you're clear, I'll proceed to the next problem. Next problem is polar form. So let's hold it. Next. So NCERT page 112 now starts. Now we are starting the exercise problems. Okay. Guys, concentrate. So evaluate means they are asking you the simplified form. So I power 18 is equal to how much? Divided with 4. So what will be the remainder?
2.
2.
I square. So I square is minus 1. I power 25 is how much? Is I.
Sir, this is what exercise, sir?
Miscellaneous. It's written here, see. I've written, no, miscellaneous exercise, page 112 in your NCERT. Keep it open.
I'm having only the PDF, sir, which you sent.
Yeah, okay. So I power 25 is I accepted.
Sir.
But they have asked 1 by I power 25. 1 by I power 25 is 1 by I. So if you rationalize it, you will have minus I divided by minus I square, which is nothing but minus I. Am I right? So I power 18 can be replaced with minus 1 plus 1 by I power 25 can be replaced with minus I, the whole cube. Any doubt till here? So it is minus 1 minus I, the whole cube. I'll take the minus sign outside. Minus of 1 plus I, the whole cube. Tell me what is the formula? A cube plus B cube.
A cube plus AB
3
square.
A square B plus 3AB square. Correct? Minus of 1. Mithun, tell me what is I cube? Minus I plus 3I. 3 into I square is minus 3. So multiplying the minus sign again. First, I'll combine the real part and imaginary part. So minus 2 plus 2I, right? It will be
Answer 2 minus 2i, sir. Okay, sir.
yeah. Tell me 2 minus 2I is the answer.
Sir, actually, I to the power 18, sir, is there.
Mhm.
I to the power 18, I took it as I square to the whole power 9. So even multiple will always be even in any power, no, sir.
Okay.
I
I
took
didn't.
that concept, sir.
You took I square the whole power 9. So minus 1 power 9 is minus 1.
Minus 1, sir.
That
Then,
is also.
I 1 to the power 25 divided by I to the power 25. I took it as I square into 12.
Okay. But again, I'm telling, why do you want to think in different ways? It varies from problem to problem. No, every problem. See, this is a general method. There is a universal method, not you or me are doing it.
Which method, sir?
Just the one I'm saying, though, you divide it with 4, write the remainder. That's it. That's the universal method. That's the standard method. Yesterday also I told you, no. So I power whatever is a number. Say tell some number, no.
Sir, 25, sir.
Okay, I power 25, no. Divide 25 with 4. What will be the remainder?
1.
So that is equal to I power 1. That's it.
Sir, so we have to take the remainder and substitute as per powers of I.
That's it. Yes. The reason is also cos power 4 is 1. So I power 25 can be written as I power 4 the whole power 6. How much is this? I power 24 into I power 1. Can I write it like this? I'm using your logic only. Instead of writing I square, I wrote it as I power 4. So I power 4, the whole power 6 is I power 24. I power 24 into I is I power 25. So what is the value of I power 4?
1.
4 is 1. So 1 power 6 into I.
I.
That
Yes, sir.
no.
Sir, can do it for I to the power 27, sir. Sir?
Can anyone check if sir coming back? Anyone?
Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
E power 27. No, 1 minute. Wait, I'm sharing my screen. E 27, Mithun. With 4. Reminder is
Sir, your
3.
voice is
That's it.
breaking, sir.
I'm saying I power 27 means dividing 27 with 4. What do we get? We get I cube only, no? Now, are you guys able to hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I power 27 means dividing with 4, what do you get?
I cube.
You get I cube because 27, the remainder is going to come out as 3. Yeah. So I cube is going to be minus 7. We'll go to the next problem. So what are they asking us? For any two complex numbers Z1 and Z2, prove that real part of Z1 into real part of Z2 is equal to real part of Z1 into real part of Z2 minus imaginary part of Z1 into imaginary part of Z2. So for this problem, what we can do is, let the two complex numbers be Z1 is equal to A1 plus IB1 and Z2 be A2 plus IB2. Okay. So what is Z1 into Z2? That is A1, A2 plus I into A1, B2 plus I into A2, B1 minus B1, B2. Am I right? Did you understand why that minus sign come?
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to A1, A2 minus B1, B2. So this is Z1, Z2. So if I ask you what is real part of Z1 into Z2, it is what? So what is A1 with respect to Z1? It is a real part of Z1.
Yes, sir.
A2 with respect to Z2 is a real part of Z2. Minus is there. What is B1 with respect to Z1? Imaginary part of Z1. B2 with respect to Z2 is imaginary part of Z2. That's the answer. Is that clear? So if you're done with this, we'll go to the next problem. So reduce 1 by 1 minus 4i minus 2 by 1 plus I into 3 minus 4i divided by 5 plus I to the standard form. So 1 by 1 minus 4i is equal to, can I write it as 1 plus 4i divided by 17? Did you understand how I got that 17? Similarly, 2 divided by 1 plus I will be equal to 2 into 1 minus I divided by 2. Are you guys able to understand how I got that?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled.
Yes,
Similarly, 3 minus 4i divided by 5 plus I will be equal to 3 minus 4i into 5 minus I divided by 26. Okay. So this will be 15 minus 3i minus 20i plus 4 into I square. So 15 minus 4 is 11 minus 23i divided by 26. Clear? So in the place of 1 by 1 minus 4i, I can write it as 1 plus 4i divided by 17 minus 2 divided by 1 plus I can write it as 1 minus I into 3 minus 4i divided by 5 plus I is 11 minus 23i divided by 26. Now what are you supposed to do?
Collect all real and imaginary and then
Collect
multiply.
all the real and imaginary parts. So 1 by 17 minus 1 is minus 16 by 17. 4 plus 17 is 4. Now multiply both and write it in the standard form, you'll get the answer. Okay, this part I'm leaving it to you after this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we'll go to the next one. The fourth one is if x minus iy is equal to root of a minus ib by c minus id, prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square by c square plus d square. Okay. So for this problem, we'll start like this: square on both sides. Okay, you can either square on both the sides, or first you can convert a minus ib by c minus id in the standard form. Anything is going to give you the same answer. So a minus ib divided by c minus id can be written as a minus ib into c plus id divided by c square plus d square. So this will be ac plus I into ad minus I into bc plus bd, the whole divided by c square plus d square. Okay, this will be ac plus bd plus I into ad minus bc, the whole divided by c square plus d square. Are you guys clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to x minus iy. So what is the value of x? Y is equal to bc.
AD.
Why did I write bc minus ad?
Minus I by, so y will be.
So square and add them, you will get the answer. Okay, this is one way. Okay, this is one way. Are you guys able to understand? After this, what you need to do is square and add, you will get the answer.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me. You want me to do
Starting
it?
itself, we squared it, right, sir?
Yeah. Oh, starting we didn't square it, no? Then this will be
Okay.
x minus. Yeah. I'm sorry. Then this will be x minus iy the whole square. Then I'm wrong. Wait. Now is it clear? See,
Yes, sir.
I was trying to solve the one within the square root. So when I square, the left hand side will be x minus iy the whole square. So on expanding it, so I'm not disturbing the left hand side. AC plus BD this will be x square plus iy the whole square. Okay, just a minute. X square plus I into y the whole square minus 2i xy. Are you guys able to understand this?
Yes,
So
sir.
x square minus y square minus 2i xy is equal to AC plus BD plus I into AD minus BC, the whole divided by C square plus D square. Let me add a page to it. There's a lengthy problem.
Sir, c square plus d square, the whole square should only come down, sir.
C square plus D square, the
Whole square only should come down, sir.
1 minute, wait. Where are you saying?
Yes, sir, there only, sir. 11th page.
The 11th page, what should you get? You will not get C square plus D square the whole square. You will get only C square plus D square.
Sir, then how,
Because everything is under a square root, no?
sir, then how, sir, left hand side will remove the square root?
Yes, sir. Left hand side, I remove the square root, means the square root, see, when I have something like this, the C square plus D square is also under a square root only, no?
Sir,
So
question.
when I, what happened?
Sir, root of a minus b by c minus d is LHS.
Wait, I'm putting the square root everywhere, okay? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I square on both the sides, this side will become square and this whole thing will go. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then why will that C square plus D square, the whole square come? Because that is also under the square root only, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So comparing both the sides, x square minus y square will be equal to how much? AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square. 2xy will be equal to how much? BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square. Okay. But what is the question? They didn't ask x square minus y square. They're asking x square plus y square. See, x square plus y square, the whole square. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is observe. Considering x square plus y square, the whole square, can I write this as x square minus y square, the whole square, plus 4xy or 4x square y square? Did you understand what I did? I wrote a plus b the whole square. A is x square, b is y square. I wrote a the whole square is equal to a square minus b square plus 4ab. Okay. So I'm taking the RHS, observe. X square minus y square, the whole square is AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square, the whole square, plus 4 into, or I'll not write 4. See, 2xy is this value, guys. Listen, 2xy is BC minus AD by C square plus D square. 4x square y square will be BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square, the whole square. Accepted? If there is any doubt, get it clarified.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I just equated the real part and imaginary part and found the answer, sir.
How will you equate imaginary part? From the question directly, yeah?
Sir, x minus y square is the real part, no, sir. And imaginary part is minus 2xy. So
That's what I do. X square minus y square is AC plus BB. 2xy is BC minus AD by C square plus D square.
This
Had the question been x square minus y square, this is the answer. But question is x square plus y square.
okay, sir.
Okay. So now squaring on both the side, squaring and adding them, I get a square c square plus b square d square plus 2abcd plus b square c square plus a square d square minus 2abcd, the whole divided by c square plus d square. Did you guys understand what I did? Since the LCM is c square plus d square the whole square, I expanded the whole numerator. That is a square c square plus b square c d square plus 2abcd plus here it is b square c square plus a square d square minus 2abcd. So 2abcd will get cancelled. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm collecting all the c square terms. Observe c square into, I get a square plus b square plus, I'm collecting all the d square terms, a square plus b square, the whole divided by c square plus d square, the whole square. Let me know if there is any doubt. Shall I proceed to the next step?
Yes, sir.
So what is common in these two? A square plus b square into, I
C
have
square
a
plus
square
D
plus
square.
d square, the whole divided by c square plus d square, the whole square. So what will get cancelled?
C square plus D square.
That's it. Got it?
Understood, sir.
So the factorization, sir.
Yeah, I factor it.
Stop, sir, little bit. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You guys try the next polar form, leave it. This also leave. Okay, you guys do this one. Apply the formula and tell me the answer. See, is anyone having a textbook? I mean, at least a PDF.
Sir, I have, sir.
See, can you read this question? Like, just go through the. What is given here? Is it, have they asked x square plus y square or x square plus y square the whole square?
X square plus y square the whole square,
What
sir.
are they asking?
Yeah, because this question is, because what did I do? I found x square plus y square the whole square. That is what I got as a square plus b square by c square plus d square. So I think here the question is copied wrong. Here there is a square.
So I got the
Okay.
answer for the sixth one.
Sixth one, huh? Yeah, what is the answer?
4 plus or minus root 64i by 6.
Okay, let me try minus b. I'm directly writing plus or minus root of b square minus 4a.
Getting another answer, sir. 2 by root 2 by 3 plus or minus 4 by 3i.
16 minus 80 is minus 64.
Sir.
So 4 plus or minus 8i divided by 6. That is 2 plus or
I didn't
4.
put root 64. I didn't convert, sir.
It is 4 plus.
So 2 by 3 plus or minus 4.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's check. Let me do only the tough problems. Okay. Let me not waste time on this. So this you can do it. 28th one you can do it. 9th you can do it. Let's try the 12th one. I mean 10th one. So z is equal to 2 minus I. Sorry, z1 is equal to 2 minus I. z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Find the value of mod of z1 plus z2 plus 1 by z1 minus z2 plus I. So what is z1 plus z2? That is 3. Accepted. So z1 minus z2 is minus 2i. So according to the question, mod of z1 plus z2 means it is 3 plus 1 divided by mod of, z1 minus z2 means it is minus 2i plus I. So this will be how much? Mod of 4 divided by,
I don't think Z1 minus Z2 is only minus 2, sir.
it is 1 minus 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have a 1 here.
Sir, I'm getting 1.732 as answer, sir.
1.73. You need not find that 1.73.
I root 2, sir. That only.
Root 2 is 1.414.
Oh. Okay. I wrote root 2 expansion as 1.732.
So this will be 4 divided by 1 minus I, correct? So 4 into 1 plus I divided by 2. This and this will get cancelled. 2 into square root of 2. So that's the answer. 2 root 2. No?
Sir, I'm getting only.
Wait, did I make any mistake? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 1 minus I. 1 minus I means rationalize it. I'm getting a 2. Z1 minus Z2 is how much? Right?
One plus 2, I think, sir. No, sir, 1 minus 2.
Now, how did you get root 2? Here it is I or 1. Can someone tell me if it is I or 1? Look at the textbook and tell me. Have they given you I or 1?
1, sir.
1 means it is right. So if it is 1, because see my question got copied as I.
Yes, sir. It's 1.
1 means then it will be 2 into 1 minus I. So this 2 will get cancelled. So 2 into 1 plus I divided by 2 under a modulus. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You can leave it as root 2. You need not write it as fractions at all. Okay. So we'll do one last problem and wind up the session. So A plus IB is this thing. Okay. So listen, A plus IB is equal to, expand it, x square minus 1. Correct? X square minus 1 plus I into 2x, the whole divided by 2x square plus 1. Any doubt in this? Okay. Now, taking conjugate on both sides. Okay, what do I get? A minus IB is equal to, tell me here, x square minus 1 minus
minus
I into 2x. The whole divided by 2x square plus 1. Okay, if I take this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, 1 multiplied with 2 will give me
A square plus B square.
Did you all hear what I told in the end?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
We only heard till A minus IB.
That's it, huh?
Yes, sir. After
Yes,
that,
sir.
the screen just got stuck.
I don't know why there is an issue like this. I'm not able to share my screen also. Wait, now I'm able to see. So till A minus IB is clear, right? What I did. You keep responding so that I'll know, or else I.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. So x square minus 1 minus I into 2x by 2x square plus 1. So what I did is 1 is multiplied with 2. When I multiply 1 with 2, it will become x square minus 1 into x square minus 1. That is x square minus 1 the whole square plus 2x into 2x. It will become 4x square divided by 2x square plus 1 into 2x square plus 1. It will become the whole square. Okay. So here x square is A, 1 is B. So A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. What is it? A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. It is nothing but A plus B the whole square. So what is the value of A? X square. B is 1. So x square plus 1 the whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 the whole square. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what I mentioned. So that's what they asked us to prove also. Okay. So once you copy this, I have an update to say. So I'll finish it before there is any network issue. I'm saying this weekend there will be a math test. Okay, don't expect me to remind it again. There will be a math test, chapter 1 and 2, total marks 40, duration is 1.5 hours. Okay.
Okay, sir. This Sunday, sir.
Yes, you will have it on Sunday, the same time, 5 to 6:30 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, actually, I want to shift it to Saturday because Sunday I get time to correct your papers also. If you guys are ready, like today's what? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 2 days only, no? So okay, Thursday. This time alone, you write it on Sunday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you have solid 3 days to prepare. Okay. Ensure you go through all the content and do this test well.
Okay, sir.
5 to 6:30, 1.5 hours, 40 marks, chapter 1 and 2. It may include your miscellaneous problems or the problems which are not there in your textbook also. So you need to have your basics very strong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Will people copy this problem?
For the test, we'll even have to find range also, no, sir. In
Range I will
relations
not.
and
No, range I will not give. As
only domain.
yes,
Domain is
only
there.
domain. Mostly you will have domains. Domain.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
The first chapter, I don't think it is a big issue, right? The second chapter, it is only the range and the domain concept, which you need more practice. Okay. After this, again, I'll conduct trigonometry test also next week. So I want you guys to prepare because trigonometry is the most important for 11th and 12th. So you have to recorrect that also. I'm not sure how much you remember. Okay. So if no more doubts, we can wind up.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
see you.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.